Getting away from your home gives you the opportunity to reflect on your life. You have the needed time and the space to let your mind wander. It is one of the best ways to learn more about yourself. Each day of travel brings a whole new set of problems and opportunities, and the way you handle these gives you an insight into who you are. You will come home knowing yourself better and with a fresh perspective on what you want out of life.